Hi Rikita, Dave here. So I just thought I'd take this opportunity to make you this quick video because it's a bit hard to explain on Messenger what I actually do. But this, like I say, I am full time. I have been for around about 18 months now. And this is one of my main sources of income. And I wouldn't class it as selling you anything. I would more class it as helping people out, because this is the best platform I've seen in a long time, and I've been doing this a while. I don't know what to say. We give you one link, you get 7 income streams from it, and you get 100% commissions from your front end. So that means if you sell one link, then you will get 100% commissions. So you've broke even. Okay, you don't the system doesn't owe you anything, you don't owe anybody else anything. After that, everything is profit. Okay, you'll still get 100% commissions whatever you sell on the front end. Now we've got 2 products at the moment that are worth $7. They're both totally different things, but they're both to do with the system. So what you will get, I'm going to try not to move my mouse about because for some reason it's playing up with my software. But basically, if you see here, you can see these are my commissions that are owed to me. And if this will load, yeah, these are the commissions I've made so far. Okay, now I'm not bragging about this, I'm just telling you because the system works. Okay, you can see all my commissions coming in here. Some are high ticket, some are low ticket. Again there, look, they're coming in every day. 21st, 18th, all these are commissions. They're all mine, and they're just building up constantly. Okay, now there are upsells and things like that, as with any other affiliate marketing thing, but I suggest just come in for $7, and I'll do you a favour. If you don't like what you get, I'll give you your $7 back. Just give me your details and I'll give you your $7 back. Alright, so have a look. I'll leave you the link below. Just take a look around. You do get some bonuses as well, so you'll get bonuses to these ones here. The how I made 1 million in commissions. I'm sorry if my mouse is playing up. Obviously this is your mega link here. And you will also get the Facebook 101, which is just to the left. And you will get the Comment Dominator Pro, which is a Facebook software where it makes your Facebook posts go viral. Okay, you get all that, and you get the Traffic Challenge Fast Start. So you get all those as bonuses for $7, plus as my personal bonus, because I've truly 100% believe in this. I'll give you access to my private Facebook group where I support all my downline and their downline as well. Okay, so I'm actually receiving 200% commissions on second tier traffic, but that's another thing once you get into it. But it works. It might not be for you, but if it does, fantastic. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you do decide to go for it. It's $7. Like I say, I'll give you that back if you're not satisfied. So hit that link below, enter your email, and we'll talk soon. Take care.